I started off before mixing this moisturiser and this oil from Emma Hardy just to moisturise my face, and I let that soak in, and then I'm going to go ahead and spray my face and with my Fix Plus. Ooh. Ooh. So then I had a few different products that I wanted to try that I haven't used before. So I bought my FENTY palette, which looks like this, and then I had these two Lime Crime lip toppers, which I haven't used before, so I thought I would give all those a go to try and create some sort of festival look. Maybe it's a bit early, but... So then before my foundation, I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Lumi Glotion, which is so good. I got it at Christmas at CVS, and I went for the shade 902 Light Glow. So the one that was lighter than this, I'm not sure if it was fair but it was like more of a iridescent white sort of one, which I've got a few of those. So I went for this one because I couldn't get over how it was such a good match for my skin, but made such a difference. I love it, it's so nice. And it feels a bit more moisturising than stroke cream. So that's good, I like that. So then for foundation, I'm going to go in and use Lumi Magique in shade, oh god, I'm not actually sure. Oh, N4 Buff Beige. So I'm just going to put a couple pumps on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Nashi Buffer Base brush, which is so... So then I'm going to go in and use my Fit Me concealer in shade 15 Fair, and I'm just going to pop that underneath my eyes. Blender, which I cannot find. So I'm going to then take my ring finger and I'm just going to pat that in. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that foundation brush, which should have some still on it, and just buff it in. Okay, so I always do stuff in a really weird order, but I think now I'm going to go in with my Morphe brush and my Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown and just go through my brows now that I've concealed, so there's no more like liquid products or foundation. Cool, then I'm going to powder using my Laura Mercier Translucent and my Real Techniques brush. I think it was called a powder brush, but it's rubbed off now, so I have no idea. Before I do that, I'm just going to go over my eyelids again just to make sure it's not creased up while I've been doing my brows. I'm going to put quite a lot on the bottom of my under eye, just because I'm going to be using quite bright colours, so I don't want any of it to settle onto my foundation. So I bought a few palettes home that were like pink based ones. I brought the blush nudes to sort of use any of these as a transition, and then I've seen in quite a few tutorials that these are more like topper shades, so I brought home a Crown palette and then this palette Beauty UK, because that's really a really good base for pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and just brush off. Ooh, that's a really good pink on it. Brush off the powder off the top of my eyes, and then I'm gonna go in, I think with this one, just here. I don't know if they haven't got names, but I'm just gonna buff that into the crease of my eye. And I'm going to take that same brush, which is just a UK MUA buffer brush, and go ahead and use that pink from the Beauty UK palette. Like from here you can't really see it, so I'm definitely going to have to bring it a bit higher above my arch because my creases are deep and I've got really heavy set eyelids. So I'm just going to grab this brush for now, another UK MUA one, and I'm just going to blend out what's there at the minute. See if that helps. So I'm going to go in with this shade, and I'm going to start off just using this Real Techniques brush. I think I've seen that, yeah, it's coming off quite glittery. So I might just see what that, oh, it applies so pretty. If you can see, one sec. It actually comes off so good. You don't really need, I don't even know if I need any Fix Plus on the brush. It actually sticks so well. On the first brush it came off and it looked quite glittery, but I mean, I've not really got any fallout, but I'm gonna stick some on because I want it to look really intense. So I'm gonna just take my MAC Fix Plus and then dip that back in. Yeah, it's already made it a bit more like a creamy formula. I'm just gonna then go and use this white shade there. Oh, Milky Way and Sunburst are the two shades I've used so far. So now I'm using Milky Way, and I'm just gonna pop some of that on the inner corners, just because it makes like a really cute colour. So then I'm going to go and dust away the under eye, get rid of that powder. Cool, so then I'm going to bring it quite low, I think, on my under eyes, and I'm going to use the same again, just the pink shade, and I might start in the corner. Actually, I'm gonna start in the corner with this shade out of the Blush Nudes palette. I go ahead and go in with Sunburst from the Fenty palette on that same brush. And then I'm going to take Milky Way and pop that on the inner corner here. Which kind of just seems... Okay, so that is the eyes for now. I'm just going to go and spray some MAC Fix Plus because where I had that powder settling or baking so it would catch any glitter, it's made me look really matte and I don't like it, so I'm just going to spray some of this all over. While that is drying, I'm going to go and use my Allure Black Magic Mascara just to put a coat on. I'm not sure I've got lashes, but I'm going to see what it looks like and then decide at the end whether I want to put them on. So now I've done mascara. Right now I think definitely lashes, but I'm going to go ahead and contour. I'm going to use, it's broken, my Shade and Light palette, and then I'm going to go ahead, I have been using a completely different brush but I didn't pack it, so I'm going to use my Spectrum CO4. Then I'm going to go in with my highlight, and I bought the Anastasia Glow Kit home. This one is sweets, which I barely ever use it, but I thought it all looked like so cute together. Now I was like, yeah, maybe I'll do that. So depending if I use the lip colours, but I'm gonna go in with, I mean, usually I'd use Sassy Grape. I'm not sure if it's too, this is too warm, but let's see. We can always try and buff it away. So I'm going to use my angled highlighter brush. This is the best. And then I'm going to go in Sassy Grape. Okay, I'm just going to grab my powder brush, which probably has stuff on. Just some powder here. And here. I'm gonna use the Sassy Grape shade and Butterscotch and go ahead and apply that onto my collarbones. Cool, then I'm gonna take these little glittery gems and my lash glue, and I'm just gonna apply those all over my nose. So I've applied some. I was just gonna do some on camera. Ooh, okay. So I've just got the little gems, and then to make it a bit easier, I put some lash glue on the side of my palette, and then I'm just putting that across into there, and then applying it onto my skin where I want it. Cool, so that is them all stuck on. They're not that even, but I don't like them being that even, so now I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips to start. Just kidding, I don't have a liner. So let's see what I do have. Right, okay, I'm gonna lay this, I think it's Boldly Bare, barely bloomed, down eyelids. I mean, I'm thinking probably the pink one, but then I think it's like blue iridescent anyway, so let's see what this looks like. So my camera just died, so I went and just blow dried my hair, so it's a bit straight. And then I decided, I think I'm just going to use this Fenty gloss bomb and just pop that all over. I can feel the gem coming off. All over my lips. So I just applied that all over my lips. And then I think I'm definitely gonna apply these false lashes. They're 143 by IU, and I'm just gonna pop those on off camera.